Hello everyone! Welcome to Life Hack Academy. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to level up your English. If you are new for this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and share this video for your friends. To get better at English, the most important thing is to let go of your fear. Fear is the only thing that stops you from speaking. You must tell yourself that it is okay to make mistakes. Mistakes are not bad. They are your teachers. Every time you say the wrong word or use the wrong tense, you learn something new. No one speaks perfectly from the start, and the people you talk to do not expect you to be perfect. They just want to understand you. So take a deep breath and open your mouth. Say the words even if they feel strange or sound funny to your ears. The more you do this, the less scary it becomes. The second thing is to use every single chance you have to touch the language. You do not need to be sitting in a classroom to learn. You can learn while you are doing other things. When you are walking to the store, look at the things around you and name them in your head. Tree, car, blue sky, old building. When you are cooking, say the steps out loud to yourself. I am cutting the onions. Now I am putting the water in the pot. This helps your brain get used to forming English sentences without any pressure. You should also use technology to help you. Change the language on your phone to English. Watch your favorite shows with English subtitles, or better yet, watch them with English sound and English subtitles together. Listen to English songs and try to sing along, even if you do not know all the words. Singing is great because it helps you practice the rhythm of the language in a fun way. Another big part is finding people to talk to. This can feel hard, but there are many ways to do it. You can find a friend who is also learning English and agree to only speak English to each other for 30 minutes a day. You can join free groups online where people meet to practice. If you are shy, start with writing. Write a short paragraph every day about what you did. It doesn't have to be beautiful writing, just simple sentences. Today, I woke up late. I ate rice for lunch. I felt tired. After you write it, read it out loud. This connects the words you see to the sound of your own voice. Do not wait for the perfect time to practice. The perfect time is right now. If you are at a store and a foreigner is standing next to you, say hello. If you are waiting for the bus, pull out your phone and read an English news headline out loud. Use every moment.